Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to start by popping the hood. The handle for that is down here on this left-hand kick panel. Once you pull on the hood lever and release the hood, use the safety lock, which is right there, and lift up. Now we're going to check the brake fluid in this vehicle. As you can see, the reservoir has got a clear. You can see the fluid in there, shake. You've got two lines, low and high. At this point, I don't need to take the cover off. I would only take the cover off to fill it, because you want to make sure you keep all debris out from going in. At this point, it is right in the safe zone. If I had to fill it up, top it off, I would undo the cover and top it off right to the fill line. No more.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.